Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I'm always on the lookout for things that will make my life easier, and this two-piece set of spring tension curtain rods is exactly that. Very adaptable. They go from 28 to 43 inches, so they're going to fit a wide variety of applications. The white color makes them blend seamlessly with my house, my decor, and there's no drilling, no hardware. The ends have these soft, kind of squishy caps on them, which means that the tension rod will grip and stay in place, making them durable. It's made from stainless steel, and they are from Blu-Pier tech. I've been very happy with this set. I am able to place them inside the doorway. I was able to place them inside the window, and they hold up my curtains out of the way, just exactly where I want them to be. So adjustable, durable, and you get two in the set. So it's a really great deal. So if you're looking for a tension curtain rod, you're gonna get a set of two with these, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. And that is my point of view.